Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mushakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. Today's tutorial is all about DIY nail decals. So let's get started. All the products that I have used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below. As always, I'm going for shades of green and shades of purple with a white polish again, and a sandwich bag or any plastic wrap or bag would do. And with the help, and you will need a dotting tool or toothpick also would do. So I'm going to lay the color straight. So lay the color from dark to light, and with the help of a dotting tool start creating patterns like what you do in the water marble, right? Once you lay all the colors down, you're just going to create patterns with the help of a dotting tool. So I'm going to create the same for all the other nails as well. So I'm going to create 4 decals of green here. So keep on mixing. So it looks very complicated and intricate, but it's very easy to create, right? So now with the help of those purple and pink, I'm going to lay them in a circular pattern here so that I can form some petal patterns like so. So keep on doing it. With the help of a dotting tool or a toothpick, now create outward to inward strokes to create that petal-like pattern. And once you're done, allow it to dry for at least 5 to 6 hours or a day. I have already applied a white base coat to apply those nail decals on, and these are the dried out nail decals after 1 day. Now with the help of a tweezer, just peel them off from that sandwich bag like so. You might have to put a little pressure while peeling them off, but it's okay. They have dried out and they'll come off very easily. With the help of a scissor, trim the edges of this nail art decal to fit your nail size. And apply a good transparent coat over that white polish so that we can stick that nail decal on. And here I'm sticking the nail decal onto my nail. Press it gently from side to side so that there's no air bubble formation on that nail. Apply a good top coat once again to seal that nail art, and remove those excess showing edges with the help of a tweezer, and clean it with a brush soaked in acetone like so. And to remove those excess showing edges from the front, just file it off. Just use a nail file and file it off. It will come off gently. So here is the DIY nail art decals. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, guys. These are very quick and easy nail art tutorials for you guys. Watch my other videos on my YouTube channel, and until next time, take care. Bye.